What's happening here, man? I'm trying to change the lane. This guy is slow as hell. What are you carrying? What's up, people? Everybody's doing great. Is doing great. I'm doing great. I'm doing wonderful. So I'm heading to Jersey City for delivery. So I'm gonna take exit. Next exit, that would be exit 14. And then I'll get to 78 East. So I'll be driving over a very nice Jersey City Bayonne bridge. It's such a beautiful bridge to drive on. At the moment, it's a rush hour. Hopefully, I'm not gonna get into that crazy traffic. But let's go and see what they got. I have 8,500 gallons of regular gas at the moment. I'm taking it to the Fuel 4 gas station. This is my third delivery of the day. Done 2 deliveries already. Started at 9 in the morning, 9 a.m. Probably I'm gonna be done around what, 8:30 with the 4 deliveries. Okay. This is exit 14, Newark Airport, Holland Tunnel, 78 West to 78 East. But we go into 78 East. So what we gonna do is to stay to the left over here. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend that the dreamer is in the building. So I'm just getting to 78 East. It's a very nice overpass. It looks like there's a little bit of traffic right now because it's rush hour, close to 5 p.m. right now. So you expect all this. It's very long. You see this kind of traffic at the moment. And you know this 78 East is going to Holland Tunnel and then end up in New York City. So all these guys that you see here, they're headed to, I guess most of them are going to New York City. That's why you see all this crazy traffic. So if you have an apartment in New York City, you'll try to avoid this 78 East, especially early in the morning and late in the evening. Basically, during rush hour is not a good route during rush hour. You'll be stuck here for some time. But this one looks like it's even though it's packed a little bit, it's moving. Yeah. This is New Jersey, baby. Traffic is part of our lives. Everywhere you go, there is traffic. This is a cop right here. This is a cop right here. I can see the lights. It's 91 degrees at the moment. It's pretty hot. Need a lot of water. I'm trying to match left. The line is ending right here. This guy don't want to let me get in. He's a fuel hauler like me, but yes, it's kind of mean. That's a pretty nice Jeep. Very nice Jeep. I'm being tired. Guys, remember to subscribe. Tell a friend that the dreamer is in the building. So I'm going to a gas station called Fuel 4. Those gas stations are mostly in the East Coast, to be specific, in New Jersey. New Jersey. That is. And I got all gasoline, 8,500 regular gas. I thought it was gonna take me forever to get to this gas station because this 78 East, it can be crazy at some point. With the traffic and everything, everybody heading to New York. I was so skeptical with this load, but so far it looks clean. Almost there. That's a good thing because you don't want to stay with the load for a long time. The more you stay with the load, the less money you make because a load like this is a local load. It's supposed to take about an hour to do, an hour 20 minutes with they pay $85. So if you stay with this load for around 3 hours because of traffic and stuff, then you'll be losing a lot of money. So these are kind of loads that you need to bang your back to the terminal. You pick another one. Before you know it, you're done with your day and go home. Short loads are good when you don't hit the traffic anywhere. They're pretty good. So loads like this, $80, if you happen to do 5 loads, that would be $400 in less than 12 hours. Pretty cool money, right? But if you get the same loads with the traffic, whereby every single load is going to be taking you about 3 hours to get it done, but 3 times 5, that's 15 hours. That's not worth it. That's a lot of hours for $400. So sometimes it happens, bang, bang, you're done. Sometimes you get stuck in the traffic. That's the nature of this work. It's not all the day that you bang it, and go home. Sometimes, like today, the first 2 loads that I had was pen on the bird. Because I went to Lawrenceville, it's about an hour, 10 minutes from the refinery. And then the second load I went to Patterson Park, New Jersey. It's close to the Washington Bridge. Going up north there, it's a nightmare. This one is a little bit better because I'm going it's 30 minutes away from the refinery. And I'm almost there actually. But it looks like coming back this way is packed. That's 78 West. It looks like it's packed. But we'll deal with it. Later. Let's just get it done. When coming back, we'll see what we do. So the Statue of Liberty is around this place. Statue of Liberty Where is it? Where is it? Where is the Statue of Liberty? You gotta be somewhere there. And then down there is downtown Jersey City. All those tall buildings that you see over there, that's downtown Jersey City. And then there are other buildings on the other side. That's Manhattan, New York. So basically from downtown Jersey City to Manhattan, it's about what? It's 10 minutes drive, 7 minutes drive across the tunnel. Or you can take a boat, not a boat. You can take a boat, sail across the river, Hudson River, and you'll be in Manhattan, New York. Liberty State Park. No trucks, light rail, park rate only. So the tall buildings that you see on the other side, that's Jersey City downtown. Or downtown Jersey City. It's a beautiful place too. Nice and fine. So far we're doing great. I'm surprised there's no traffic at this time of the day. Gosh, God is great. God is great. I'm gonna drive through this easy pass only because I got a prepaid tag. I don't have to stop for cash or give cash. I got a tag. That's it. So this is beautiful Jersey City downtown. Very beautiful Jersey City downtown. Basically, I've been delivering at Jersey City downtown. Liberty Science Center. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is beautiful, man. At this time of the day, no traffic. What a beautiful day. It rarely happens this way. So we're gonna stay to the left, Holland tunnel. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. The whole of this stretch is overpass, right? And other roads underneath this one. Yeah, now we got to experience a little bit of downtown traffic. All these people going to New York. Look at that scene, man. Beautiful. Beautiful Jersey City. Beautiful Jersey City. Oh, I'm a bit tired. Right here, so there's traffic because people are trying to get to the town or to go to New York. So there's kind of inspection before they get to the tunnel. That's why everything slows down. Okay? But still, it could be worse. Today is just beautiful right now. It's a moving traffic. In a bad day, you can spend some hours on this 78 East trying to get to downtown Jersey City because of traffic. So I can do with this one any time of the day. It's not a bad one. And I'm about 5 minutes away from the gas station that I'm going to deliver at. So soon enough I'll be done and I'll be back like I never left. And my $80 will be in the pocket. Less than 1 hour. How cool is that? And also this construction is the one that is causing a little bit of a traffic because now one lane is completely closed. The lane to the right is completely shut for construction. So everybody else is just squeezing themselves to these two lanes. And the high volume of trucks, high volume of vehicles going to either Jersey City downtown or going to New York. All these vehicles you see here, 5 out of, let's say, 5 out of 10 cars, they have New York plates. So that means they're going back to New York. They're going back to New York. It's a big cliff down here. If you lose control, get to the other side, oh man, you'll be gone. It's so scary. It's a huge cliff. Welcome to New Jersey, baby. This is what we go through every single day. Every single day. Every single day. Oh, this guy, man, this is very dangerous. It's a homeless guy asking for money. I don't know even I don't know whether I can make through this place, man. I don't know whether I can make it through. Oh my God. I hope. are you doing right there, man? Somebody's gonna knock you down. It's a homeless guy trying to get money from all these drivers, but it's risking. My son is calling me. I don't know what he wants. Yeah. It's crazy, but we're gonna be there soon. No worries. No problemo. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We almost there, guys. Don't worry. We'll be there soon. In about what? In about 3 minutes. In about 3 minutes, we'll be there. Let's go. So straight up, on the other side is New York. So I'll have to stay all the way to the left lane. And make a U-turn. See that Holland tunnel? After that, you just get to the tunnel straight to Manhattan, New York. I'm gonna make a left right here. If I go forward after that tunnel right there, after that Holland thing, you'll be heading to New York. Trying to make a U-turn, get back to 78 West. Because this gas station is on the west side of 78. Right after the Holland tunnel. Right after Holland tunnel. Somebody calling me. Somebody calling me. Ah, fuck, it's red line. Fucker. This is the gas station right here. It's kind of tight. So they gotta move those cars. They gotta move those cars before I pull in. There you go. So I'm at the gas station. See you in a minute. Bye.